Hey guys, today we're going to be making grilled cheese sandwiches. Really easy and cool for after school snack or your kid's favorite. So to that we're going to need 2 slices of bread, and I use like whole grain, some butter and cheese slices. So using about a tablespoon or 2 tablespoons of butter, melting on medium low and place your bread, place cheese. I did 2 slices of cheese because they're super thin, and put the other bread on top. You can cook it like that, or you can place the cover so it can melt, it's gonna melt the inside quicker. And then you flip, and then you wait for the other side of the bread to cook, and it's gonna be the best gooiness, warm bread. It's like the best. You guys need to go ahead and try this. It's so easy, and it's like, yeah, look at all that gooiness. Yeah, I can't even separate it with one hand. I'm gonna have to use a knife. You know what I'm talking about. Go in the kitchen and have yourself some good, delicious whole grain. You can use any type of cheese sliced, and go enjoy yourself some quick, easy lunch. Really. Hope you guys enjoy watching. Please subscribe and like. Till next time.